comfy? Are you comfy, honey? You don't look like you're very comfortable. Okay. Sleepy puppy, huh? Yes. Oh, you're a good girl.